Hey guys, welcome back to Chicken Collect Stuff. I am Chicken, and today we're going to be checking out Marvel's Blink from X-Men. So without further ado, let's get into it. So of course we have the figure right here, but before we unbox it, let's take a look at the back. So of course we have this pretty cool artwork right there. And then Clarice Ferguson uses her mutant ability of teleportation to disappear and reappear in the blink of an eye, hence the name Blink. And then Marvel's Blink, X-Men. Cool artwork on the side, on the other side too. And then you have the series that she's in, Caliban. Alright. So now that we've looked at the box, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so let's unbox the figure. So there's the figure right there. There it is. So now that we've gotten the figure out of the box and ready to go, let's take a closer look. So of course we have the figure. And of course she has green eyes, and then her like lavender colored skin, and a couple like red markings in there, and then got some like maroon type colored hair, and then we got her like choker right there, I guess, green outfit, another belt with like a couple things hanging from there, and on the back too. Green sleeves, and then green boots. That's it for the figure. Then we got this cool like teleportation disc, I guess, that is really spiky and pink. It's really nice. Some shine to it. In X-Men Apocalypse, she actually makes these by throwing some of these to make a little portal, kind of like Doctor Strange. So that's cool. Yeah, there's her little teleportation discs. And then got one of these. Kind of look like diamonds, pink diamonds, but like arrow shaped or spear shaped arrows. Yeah, it's really cool. I like that. That's the same for the other one. And then for the Caliban Build-A-Figure, she has his right leg. His brown top to it. And then this like crystal type look to it. And then he has like those two toes. Kind of look funny. And bend. Leg. Bend his leg. That. kind of simple, but it's pretty cool. And then there's where you can peg his leg into the other parts of the Build-A-Figure. So now that we have reviewed the figure and her accessories, we'll wrap up the video. This figure was really awesome, but she was really hard to pose. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and like. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!